Most campers wake up to a soaking wet tent and blame the rain, but it's actually condensation from their own breathing. The mistake happens when it gets cold outside. You close all the vents to stay warm, but that traps moisture inside the tent. Here's what experienced campers do instead. Always leave the top vent partially open, even in cold weather. Then position your rainfly with a small gap at the head end. This creates airflow that carries moisture out before it can condense on the tent's walls. The key is understanding that your breath creates warm, humid air. If that air has nowhere to go, it hits the cold tent fabric and turns into water droplets. But with proper ventilation, the moisture flows out with the air current. This works better than expensive breathable tent materials. And you can adjust the venting based on how humid or cold it gets during the night. Small gap in the vent, dry tent in the morning, much better sleep.